Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure you control the parental account on the device. This is necessary to change restrictions. Once you have the parent sign-in or passcode, open Settings and go straight to Screen Time on iPhone/iPad or Family Link/Digital Wellbeing on Android. You want to locate app limits or app timers now because that list shows Roblox. Do this immediately so you can see whether Roblox is blocked by time limits, downtime, or an app-specific restriction. Each requires a different removal step. Once you find Roblox in app limits, tap it and disable the specific timer or set a larger daily allowance. This removes the enforced cutoff. Make sure to then check downtime schedules because Roblox can still be blocked during those hours, so remove it from scheduled downtime or adjust times. Also check Always Allowed to ensure Roblox is permitted outside limits. Add it if necessary. After changing settings, confirm with your parent passcode or Google account. Prompt so the device accepts the new permissions and reopens Roblox access. To finish, restart the device and launch Roblox to confirm the screen time limit is gone. This clears cached restriction states. If Roblox remains blocked, make sure the family account age or content filters aren't enforcing limits, and inspect any router-level parental controls or third-party apps. If problems persist, revoke Roblox permissions, uninstall, then reinstall to reset app flags. Once done, reapply the allowed status in Screen Time or Family Link. If nothing works, a temporary password.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.